I think if I was a younger man, I'd have been more excited about it. I'd never heard of YouTube, hardly knew what internet was.
What, they press the subscribe panel first, and then what happens? So people who signal him saying, pay attention, keep your eye on what you're doing. When you're sawing a piece of wood, listen and watch, listen to and watch the movement of the saw.
But the little bit I do know, it seems to me rather similar to meditation. If something in my voice conveys that restfulness, then thank God for that. I don't know quite how it happens.
One of the best ways to illustrate what meditation does is this. You let go.
So many people have this problem with an agitated mind, a restless mind. And because one instinctively seeks for some sort of balance, people look for rest or peace, don't they?
In fact, if we do fret about it, do you know what will happen? You will lose this sense of inner calm and get lost.
I think it's beyond words. If I would see you, John, I would just give you a hug. Brings tears to my eyes even now.
He's always had a message that makes me think. That's how he's helped me cope during the pandemic. I don't know if he understands how many lives that he's touching across the planet right now.
I think John's videos bring with them so much freedom in a time where we feel so physically restricted. Bringing the gift of peace to people, you know, what better gift can you give?
I don't know what to think, dear. I was moved to tears. Most of my life I've felt really a bit of a misfit in this world, and I've felt most people weren't interested in me, but I'm just quietly glad to be able to share what I love. Yes, that's what it did.